The Cloud Care brush did not fall from the sky. It's the result of months of planning and development. And here it is, the first brush your cat won't run away from. What makes it so special? Let's take a look at it. The Cloud Care brush is a gentle grooming tool that soothes your cat and has some incredible features. Number 1, it's cloud soft. Your cat isn't a fan of harsh bristles, so we replaced them with ultra-soft silicone bristles that mimic a gentle massage. Number 2, it cleans with calming mist. If you don't want to stress your cat, it needs comfort. After all, it's a precious feline, not a dust mop. That's why the Cloud Care brush uses a warm, calming mist that stops loose hair from flying everywhere, making grooming a breeze. The Cloud Care brush is incredibly easy to use. Just unfold it for a comfortable grip, fill it with water, hit the power button, and you are ready to start brushing. Now you can effortlessly groom every inch of your cat's fur. Number 3, it reduces shedding. Thanks to its effective grooming action, the Cloud Care brush helps minimize shedding, keeping your home cleaner and your cat happier. And number 4, a battery as it should be. Nobody wants a dead battery. That's why we built in a rechargeable battery that lasts for multiple grooming sessions. Because we're so convinced of the Cloud Care brush, we offer the Catisfaction Guarantee. This means if your cat doesn't love the brush, you get your money back. Sounds fair, right?